Today's video tutorial is a step-by-step guide on Plaza Finance. Plaza Finance is an innovative platform for programmable derivatives built on the Base network. The platform represents a significant advancement in DeFi derivatives, providing users with more flexible and programmable ways to interact with their staked Ethereum positions. Plaza Finance has an incentivized point-based system where users earn points by daily interaction with the testnet. Step 1 is join them on Discord and get verified. The link is below the comment section. So when you click the link, it will take you to their Discord. You click accept invite. You click the verify button, verify. Already I have been verified before now, but to get verified is not difficult. It's very easy. It's very simple. So when you come here, you click the verify button. They will ask you one or two things, you answer, and then you'll be verified. The step 2 is to click the link below the comment section to take you to the testnet interaction page. When you are in the page, you connect your event compatible wallet to claim test tokens. Me, I'm using MetaMask. Click get test tokens, and some test tokens will be sent to your wallet. But for you to claim test tokens, you must have at least 0.001 Ethereum in your wallet. So you click get test tokens. Test tokens has been sent to my MetaMask. The first thing is for us to swap some WST Ethereum for bond Ethereum. So we go to explore the Plaza and click on buy bond Ethereum. Enter the amount of WST Ethereum you want to swap for bond Ethereum. Let me say 0.001. My balance is 1.99. So I'm swapping below the balance. You click buy. You confirm transaction in your MetaMask. Confirm it again for the second time. You may not be seeing my MetaMask confirmations and approval. It is behind the camera. Transaction successful. The next thing is for us to swap some WST Ethereum to Lev Ethereum. So we go to explore the Plaza. Click on buy Lev Ethereum. Enter some amount of WST Ethereum you want to swap for Lev Ethereum. So I enter 0.001. Click buy. Confirm transaction in your MetaMask. Confirm it again for the second time. Transaction successful. Each interaction will earn you 4 points. The next interaction is to swap some bond Ethereum for WST Ethereum. So we go to the end tab immediately after portfolio, and below you select sell. You enter the amount of bond Ethereum you want to swap for WST Ethereum. Let me use 0.01. Below here, you click withdraw. Confirm transaction in your wallet. Confirm it again for the second time. Transaction successful. Lastly, we go to leverage and swap some Lev Ethereum for WST Ethereum. So we select leverage. Here we click the sell button. Enter some amount of Lev Ethereum we want to swap for WST Ethereum. I have 0.006 as balance. So I will enter 0.002. Click withdraw. Confirm transaction in your wallet. Confirm it again for the second time. Transaction is successful. Repeat this interaction every 24 hours to get more points. One more thing is to join guild. Complete the requirement and claim Discord role. The link is below the comment section of this video. Here you sign in with your wallet. My wallet is signed in. Make sure you connect all your socials. Connect your wallet, connect your Telegram, connect your Discord, and connect your Twitter. When all of them are connected, come below. Here they say have the citizen role in Plaza Finance server. As far as you have been approved on Discord, come here and check the role. It will be tick green. Then you have the citizen role. Come below here and follow them on Twitter. Once you follow them on Twitter, come back here and check this role, and you will have access to it. It will tick green. So far, so good. Thank you for being with us to this very end. This is the end of this video tutorial. For more valuable content, kindly click the subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification bell so that whenever another video is released, you will always be the first to be notified. Share your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to join our Telegram group for more updates. All the links are below the description of this video. Thank you and bye for now.